my channel. Today is actually just a little video showing what I'm going to purchase. There's some big sale on AliExpress. As you can see right here, it just says sale. So when this video uploads, the sale will be live. But this is what I'm going to get. I just kind of went on like a charm binge. Literally like one thing led to another. So first thing, look how cute. I'm just showing you guys because they're dropping significantly, like anywhere from like 10 to 20 cents, and I think that's a really good deal. So let me just show you these guys. Look, and you can pick which color you want. I got the yellow ones because I have a lot of pink charms already. Super cute though, right? Okay, so that's that one. Then these cute little stars, I'm going to get the pink. Except for I don't know what color pink they're going to send me because there's only one option for pink. I'm either going to get dark pink or light pink. We'll find out. Then look how cute. I saw Cruz. She had some pink little telephones. And if you notice on this, like when you're selecting this, like clicking, like right here it'll say white. Even though the picture's the same, right here it'll say pink. So I picked all pink phones versus like the mix and stuff. So pay attention when you are ordering stuff. Then look at these cute little charms, like 3-tone little stars. I got the all pink ones. Then look at these cute little cupcakes. I got the mixed version. I'm pretty sure I got the mixed version. And then I'm just picking up some chain so I can make like little dangles. I have no clue what I'm doing, but I did get the smallest one, the 2.5 millimeter, because I don't want some big like gangster chain, so I don't know. I'm just got the skinny one. I'm not sure. We'll see what it looks like when it gets here. And then look how cute this is the bow. It's like that sloppy bow, you know, where one's, you know, like how this is like uniform and even. I like this sloppy look, so I got these ones. Super cute. I love the color. Oh, let's see here. Okay, so look, these ones are going on sale for $2.35. This one's going on sale for $2.36. Both have free shipping, so I'm going to get rid of the more expensive one. Are you sure I want to delete? Yes, I do. And then these, I got these little, well, not yet. Or yeah, by the time you see this, yes. So these little balls have like, I think like a holographic look to it, but I picked out the gold and I picked out the, I want to say 10 or 12 millimeter little balls. I want to stick little sequins and seed beads in there. I think it'll be super cute. I think I got the 12 millimeter. I'm not sure though. Let me look at my video. Yep, I picked out the 12 millimeter. Then down here, look at these little charms. I picked out the pineapples. Look at those eyes. These are totally like the crepe paper pineapple with the sunglasses on. How cute. You'll notice a lot of, just pay attention when you're ordering stuff. Right here it says 10 pieces. Like sometimes it'll say 5, 6, 2. So definitely keep your eyes peeled. And then look at these ones, you guys. Roller skates in pastel with the gold, the star, the lightning. So cute. You get 10 of them. Oh, I can't wait to get those. Then look at these cute little heart sunny glasses. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, I got those. Told you I went on a charm. And these are my favorite. Look at these ice cream cones. They're like a sloppy, melting 3-scoop ice cream where the top ones are like slanted and leaning. How cute are those? Oh, adorable. And then these guys, oh, I was so obsessed. I was literally looking around and I couldn't find a 10-piece. I mean, a 10-piece was a lot more money, so I felt like the 6-piece for $1.57 was the best, and I like the pastel colors on this one. Look how cute these little balloon charms are. So cute. I'm like so excited. Oh, I'm really excited for these ones. Look at these, you guys. So I picked out the pink one with the little like jump ring already in there. You can get them just as the cabochons, and they're cheaper that way, but I figured I'll pay 30 cents for that little screw in there because I don't want to mess it up, or add a bail on the back, and then you can see it through the glass, like that, you know, the glass. See how it's see-through right there? So I didn't want to add any type of bail to it, so I just got the pink ones. Oh, so cute. Next is this one. Oh my gosh. I picked out the pastel, of course. Look, I think I got this middle color pastel, but the little cloud charm. They're actually both really cute. I don't know which one I like more. Then I got these little lollipop ones. They're the gold, white, and mint. Super precious looking. It's so tiny. And then, oh, that's it. That's it for my charms. I already did a bunch of hauls a couple weeks ago, so I should be getting orders rolling in, but I'm super excited. And if you have any other cute charms, shoot a message down below in the comments because I want to know and I want to get them too. Alright, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys. Oh. Wait a minute.